How to fix Ubisoft not loading. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about fixing the Ubisoft Store not loading in your mobile device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Ubisoft Store application or any form of Ubisoft app on your mobile device. After this, you need to check your internet connection. So make sure and ensure that your device has a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is resolved. Or you can go ahead and turn the flight mode on for 2 to 3 seconds and turn off again. After this, go ahead and open your system settings on your device. Scroll all the way down and go to apps. From this page, simply go ahead and search for Ubisoft. Once you find the application, tap on it and scroll down and go to its storage. Then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Then scroll down and go to battery. Make sure that it is set to optimized or unrestricted. Hopefully this will solve your problem. Last but not least, go ahead and restart your entire device and see if the problem is resolved. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.